and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Capping Committee recommends only 20 million tons ore extraction per year. Prudent exclusively accesses details of report. AG confirms the report. Dual citizenship, Mopa Airport, special status and mining package to be BJP's Lok Sabha campaign issues. BJP and Congress bigwigs file nominations. PIL before High Court challenging Goa government cyber aid scheme. Petitioners alleges scam worth 10 crores. Court issues notices to government and suppliers. MH370 ended in southern Indian Ocean. Malaysian Prime Minister makes official statement. PM urges to respect the privacy of victims' families. And CM clears that he didn't stop mining, but he stopped mining operations. Says Supreme Court should lift the ban and it's a matter of minutes to restart mining again. Now the news in detail. The Capping Committee appointed by the Supreme Court of India has recommended 20 million tons of ore extraction per year. Highly placed sources informed Prudent that the Capping Committee submitted its report on Monday and suggested 20 million tons as the production capacity for Goa. This has come as a shock to the whole mining industry, and the decision will destabilize the entire state economy and lakhs of people dependent on the business. Here are the exclusive details of the report.
The report of the Capping Committee can prove disastrous for mining industry as it restricts production capacity of ore to 20 million tons per year. The committee submitted its report on Monday to the Supreme Court. The report focuses on intergenerational equity and settles on the figure of 20 million tons. Experts in the industry feels that the 20 million tons are inclusive of dumps, as the report mentions the extraction as production capacity. The Indian School of Mines report had advocated fresh extraction of 26.4 million tons every year. Goa's Advocate General has confirmed the fact. While speaking to Prudent, he said, "Committee has submitted its report. Report mentions 20 million ton as fresh extraction. Goa believes that dumps cannot be counted in 20 million tons. Now mining dependents from Goa will have to wait till April to know the clear-cut fate of mining resumption. Crucial mining matter had came up for hearing at Supreme Court on Monday. Court was expected to give a judgment on the matter, but now the hearing has been postponed further. Sources claim that one of the judges from the Green Tribunal, Surinder Singh Nizar, was not present for the hearing. Hence, the hearing was postponed." With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Dual citizenship, compensation for mining dependents, need for Mopa along with Daboli Airport, and special status for the state. This will be BJP's agenda for Lok Sabha poll. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was vocal with media on these issues. BJP Shripad Naik and Narendra Sawaikar, and for Congress Ravi Naik and Alex Reginald filed their nominations on Monday. Last date for filing nominations is 26th March.
Special status, वो एक तब
financial package.
मोपा एयरपोर्ट, जुवारी ब्रिज, लीगल माइनिंग बेगीन सुरू जावचे, वो एक त्यासाठी प्रयत्न.
Special financial package.
आणि गोंया खातीर स्पेशल फायनान्शियल पॅकेज.
ते एकूच क्लियर करता की दाबोळी एअरपोर्ट अपग्रेड करून
तो चालू उरता.
फ्युचरिस्टीक हे मोपा एअरपोर्ट. दिस इज द Kanto North aslemane Mopa airport.
So that volume continuation.
Not only continuation, we are upgrading it further.
आज लोकांक सामके गोर गरिबांक सरकार देणगी दिता हे लाचारी. जे ते आपल्या जोमान पयशे जोडटाले मायनिंग म्हणा आनी इतर, आज बेकारी वाडलेली आसा. मायनिंगाक लागून तेंच्याच तोंडान तेंच्यानी सांगलें कितलेशे लोक बेकार पडल्या. आमचो हो खासदार जर निवडून आयलो जाल्यार नक्कीच म्हाका दिसता मायनिंगचो हे प्रश्न सोडोवपाक सारको जोडून घेतो.
एक कार्यकर्त्यामध्ये एक उत्सव असा की आम्ही जे आसात आमचं जे सीट जो आसा नॉर्थ गोवा आणि साऊथ गोवा हे दोन्ही सीट असे निर्धार केले आसा कार्यकर्त्यांनी आणि लोकांनी बीन आपल्या मनाक ऑलरेडी डिसायडेड टू वोट फॉर काँग्रेस ऑन द हँड सिंबल. सो हे सगळे तरेचे आमकां लोकां कडल्यान प्रतिसाद मेळटा की आमी जे आसात ते हे फावटी काँग्रेसीचे फाटले आसा सामके फूल. म्हणजे अशे प्रत्येक गांवांनी आमी अशे बेश्टे आमी मेळपाक कोण गेले ते गांवांचे लोकांचे एक रिएक्शन आमी पळयलें जावं बायल मनीस जावं दादलो मनीस हे सगळे तरेचे जेणे लोकांनी आमकां सपोर्ट करचे केला.
I wish to comment less on what is spoken by somebody. I am here to contest my elections and win my elections. I think as far as the party is concerned, I will go by the dictates of the party in toto, whatever they say. And I think as far as the party is concerned, the president will speak.
Regarding the tourism development in the South Goa, besides that, issue of the dual citizenship, it needs to be sorted out with the central government. आणि मायनिंग आणि एनवायरनमेंट हे सगळ्यात महत्वाचे इश्यूज आसात की जेचे खातीर खरें म्हणजे काम करपाची गरज आसा. हे कांय इश्यूज आसात की जे घेवन आमी करतात.
Claiming a multi-crore scam in the state scheme, a public interest litigation has been filed before the High Court against Goa government cyber aid scheme. Petitioner Samir Kelkar has alleged that there is a big scam going on. Until now, state exchequer has lost almost 10 crore rupees. The High Court has issued notice to state government, Infotech Corporation and the tablet suppliers. A PIL has been filed against government's ambitious cyber aid scheme, alleging a 10 crore rupees scam so far. Under cyber aid scheme, government distributes e-tablets to the school students in standard 6th. The petitioner has alleged that government has awarded the tender to the companies blacklisted in other states, and Goa government is also accepting those blacklisted e-tablet brands. Petitioner has contended that government is buying e-tablets on much higher price than the market price. Petitioner also contended that government has chosen to buy many branded products of various price range, but paying the price equally to all products. Government is paying about 10,000 rupees per e-tablet. After admitting the PIL, the High Court issued notices to state government, Infotech Corporation and all the tablet suppliers. The court has directed them to file their replies in 2 weeks. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.